Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to export your video in CapCut application. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to open your CapCut application, then select new project, select your video which one you want to edit. I open, and after edit my video, right now I need to export it. So first of all, click on here. There have an option, you can see 180 pixel. Just tap over it. Then you can change your video resolution from here, frame rate, quote rate. After change these three option, there have another option you can see, like it's look like for upload option on the top right corner. Just this arrow icon, click here, and here you can see this video is exporting right now. So in this way you can export your video in CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.